Hi everybody, this is Ron again with Anti-Speeds. Wanted to spend just a minute with you today to introduce you to our Satin Touch line of high quality pliers for beadwork, mostly for wire working, but they come in handy for quite a variety of uses as well. The reason I wanted to show you the Satin Touch is we're just really excited about this new line from the Beadsmith. They're very quality stainless steel, polished stainless steel, box joint construction, but also just very ergonomic and comfortable in the hand. You'll see they have, well, first of all, this nice coral color, and the grips are very comfortable. You see the indentations even for your fingers. So really a nice tool if you're thinking of upgrading. This is a great set to consider. We feature the full line, so we have round nose pliers. This is the flat nose. And here is the nylon jaw flat nose. And here is the bent chain nose pliers. And the side cutter. I don't know if it's proper to say here is the pliers or here are the pliers, but take it either way. So a really great line, and the good news is all 5 of them are part of our top 100 essential beading products on Anti-Speeds. And that means a couple of things. First of all, they are highly featured and we always try to keep them well stocked. But second of all, they're always on sale, at least 30% off typical retail that you would find on the web. And we often have them on sale for even more than that. So you wire workers and you beaders that use these particular tools, this is a great line to consider. We hope you'll take a look at them on antispeeds.com. Happy beading.